Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Dose. Let's grow together one step every day. Today we are going to learn some interesting GK questions and answers. Learning never stops, so let's start today's video. The topic is Kerala political structures and legislature. The first question: how many elected seats are in the Kerala Legislative Assembly? Answer: 140 elected seats. Second question: how many Lok Sabha Parliament constituencies are there in Kerala? Answer: 20. Third question: how many Rajya Sabha seats does Kerala have? Answer: 9. The fourth question is: where is the official seat of the Kerala Legislative Assembly located? Answer: the Niyama Sabha Mandiram in Thiruvananthapuram. The fifth question: who was the first Chief Minister of Kerala State? Answer: EMS Namboodiripara from the Communist Party of India. Okay, okay, friends. We will continue the remaining question in the next video as a part 2. Thank you for watching. See you in this next video.